हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू चार्ट ऑफ द डे। सो आज के चार्ट ऑफ द डे के लिए आई हैव सिलेक्टेड टू स्टॉक्स. वन इज गुजरात गैस एंड द सेकंड वन इज सेंटम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. So looking at the chart of Gujarat Gas, we can see that the stock has been in the consolidation phase from the past 1 month, especially from the 31st of 30th of July. And after that, after hitting its recent high at 687.30, we have seen that the stock has been under consolidation. And in this process, it has also breached its 21 DMA and 50 DMA. But it has having the support of its 100 DMA, and then from here we have seen that there is some buying interest has emerged and the stock has risen towards upside. और आज के ट्रेडिंग सेशन में द स्टॉक हैज गेन्ड अराउंड 11% and it has also reclaimed its 100 DMA with above average 50 DMA with above average volume if you look at the volume part. And also, if you look at the buyer demand, it's B plus. And if you look at the number of fund increment, then there has been increase in the fund of 9.13% in the last quarter. Then next stock is CENTUM Electronics. So CENTUM Electronics is also in the consolidation phase from the from April onwards. You can see like from 30th of April or 29th of April here, somewhere around 20,000. 2099 after hitting its recent high in the month of April, the stock went under consolidation. It has also breached its all key moving averages in this process. Even it has breached its long-term moving average 200 DMA. But after hitting its recent low, the stock has witnessed some kind of buying interest. We can see it here. And then gradually from the past 4 days, we can see like the stock is rising towards upside. And आज का जो ट्रेडिंग सेशन हुआ है इसमें स्टॉक हैज रिक्लेम इट्स 100 DMA with above average volume if you look at the volume part. एंड अगर बात करें इसके बायर डिमांड की तो बायर डिमांड इसका भी माइनस है. एंड इफ यू लुक एट इट्स नंबर ऑफ fund holdings in the last quarter, then it has increased to 22.2%, which is actually good. So thank you so much for watching the video. We'll meet again in another chart of the day. Thank you so much.